Aloha Kauai, this is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, July 26. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is reporting 2 new cases. Today's cases are adults, 1 resident and 1 visitor. 1 case is related to mainland travel, and the other case is considered community acquired and has no known source of infection. Today's cases brings the number of active cases to 46, with 5 hospitalized and 561 cumulative cases. Last week, we reported a total of 44 cases, including 4 visitors and 40 residents. Many of the residents were unvaccinated and traveled to the mainland. If you plan a trip, please get vaccinated before you go to protect yourself and our community, and get tested upon your return. Our free walk-in testing clinic remains open Monday through Fridays from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. In addition, the Department of Health identified a new cluster at a workplace. To date, 5 cases have been detected in association with this cluster. This includes close contacts outside of the workplace, which are considered secondary cases. As a reminder, please stay home if you are sick and arrange to be tested. Our team at the Kauai District Health Office continues to investigate every case reported on island. Positive cases are interviewed and their close contacts are identified and notified by the Department of Health. Staff remains in daily contact with every case and close contact for the duration of their isolation or quarantine period. As a reminder, if you are identified as a close contact of a positive case and have been fully vaccinated, you will not be required to quarantine. This is a labor-intensive but effective core public health approach to disease control. We are fortunate to have a dedicated team continuing robust case investigation and contact tracing on our island. For the latest, we turn to Kauai District Health Officer, Dr. Janet Berriman.
Thank you, Mayor. There are currently 5 Kauai residents suffering from such severe COVID-19 disease that they're hospitalized. This is the highest number of Kauai residents who've been hospitalized at one time since the pandemic began. With continued rapid spread of disease, we know we will see more hospitalizations, and unfortunately, we can also anticipate more deaths. Statewide and nationwide, the vast majority of those hospitalized with COVID-19 are unvaccinated, well over 95%. This pandemic is now a pandemic of the unvaccinated. Yes, there are breakthrough cases in some vaccinated individuals. Those cases are generally mild, with rapid recovery and no long-term effects, and little spread of disease. All 3 available vaccines are highly effective in preventing severe illness, hospitalization, and death, including from the Delta variant. Mahalo to the majority of you who have gotten your vaccine. Without your efforts, our case counts would be much higher. Unfortunately, 1 out of every 4 eligible Kauai residents is still unvaccinated. I know I've said this before, but we do not want to see anyone in our community suffer unnecessarily. Getting vaccinated is the key to keeping us all healthy. The vaccines protect you, your family, your friends, and your colleagues. Getting vaccinated also helps protect children who are too young to be vaccinated at this time. With the start of school right around the corner, it's especially important that everyone 12 years of age or older be vaccinated now. If you do have symptoms, please stay home and get tested. Don't risk getting your colleagues sick by going to work. Call your doctor for a drive-through test. If you're not currently sick, we also offer free testing every weekday at the convention hall from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., no appointment needed. If you travel out of state, please get tested 3 to 5 days after you return, especially if you are unvaccinated. And we're launching a mobile testing van this week. The van will be at the Kekaha Neighborhood Center on Wednesdays, Kilauea Neighborhood Center on Thursdays, Kalaheo Neighborhood Center on Fridays, Hanalei Neighborhood Center on Saturdays, and Kapa'a Neighborhood Center on Sundays. It will be open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. each day. More information is posted at kauai.gov/COVID-test. Thank you.
Mahalo, Dr. Berriman. It's worth repeating, getting vaccinated is the most effective way to protect yourself and our community from COVID-19. including the new, more dangerous variants. My family and I are 100% vaccinated, and the Office of the Mayor's staff is also 100% vaccinated. As of today, 66% of Hawaii residents statewide have gotten their first shot, and nearly 60% are fully vaccinated. With the new school year starting, we're urging parents of children 12 and older to have your keiki get their first dose as soon as possible. They will be much less likely to bring the virus home from school and put your ohana at risk, or bring it to school and infect others. A free pop-up clinic for everyone aged 12 and older will be held this Saturday, July 31st at Isenberg Park in Lihue from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Children aged 12 and older can also get the Pfizer vaccine at Wilcox Medical Center, the Lihue Safeway, or the Lihue Longs. It is free and no appointments needed. Walk-ins for adults are also welcome at most pharmacies, clinics, and hospitals on island. Ho'ololahui is hosting free pop-up clinics for adults this Saturday, July 31st at the Anahola Clubhouse from 9 to 11 a.m. and next Saturday, August 7th at the Kekaha Neighborhood Center from 8 to 11 a.m. No appointments needed. For a full list of locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. We're also launching mobile vaccination vans this weekend. It will offer the Johnson & Johnson and Moderna vaccines to adults 18 and older. These vaccination vans will be available at gatherings and community functions, and you can request it at your event. Anyone who gets their first dose can enter the Hi Got Vaccinated contest for prizes and discounts. To enter, visit higotvaccinated.com. If you're looking for a job or searching for employees, the County of Kauai is launching a new job connection service. Ho'ohana Kauai will provide resources and guidance that bridges the employment gap and connects our workforce and workplaces directly. If you are job searching, they can help you improve your resume, connect you with training, and let you know about job opportunities. If you run a local business, organization, or nonprofit, Ho'ohana can help you find qualified candidates. To receive assistance, please contact Michelle Lopez at mlopes@kauai.gov or call her at 241-4192 or Daniel Fort at dfort@kauai.gov or 241-4948. Over the past year, we were given a glimpse of what life is like without the influx of cars on our roads. There's no denying how much traffic improved while our visitor numbers were low. As we continue to recover, we are taking this opportunity to do better in managing visitor impact by providing alternatives to everyone renting a car. The Office of Economic Development launched a new website informing both visitors and residents of the various transportation options available on Kauai. GetAroundKauai.com is providing sustainable transportation choices. We hope to encourage low-impact green rides to improve the visitor experience, reduce island traffic, increase small business opportunities, and meet climate action goals. The website also educates visitors and new residents to have respect for our local cultural values. GetAroundKauai.com will be regularly updated and improved as more transportation options become available. The governor's COVID-19 emergency order is expiring on August 6th. That will bring an end to the moratorium on housing evictions for renters who fell behind on payments since the pandemic began. After August 6th, landlords will again have the right to evict tenants who have not paid their rent. If you are behind on rent, resources are available. Kauai Coronavirus Rental and Utility Assistance Program continues to accept applications. They can provide up to $4,500 per month for rent and pay for utilities for eligible renters. For more information, visit kauaiRentHelp.com. A new state law gives renters the right to mediation before eviction. For more information, call the Kauai Economic Opportunity Mediation Program at 245-4077, extension 229 or extension 237, or email mediation@keoinc.org. Native Hawaiians are eligible for the Department of Hawaiian Homeland's Emergency Rental Assistance Program. More information is available at hawaiiancouncil.org/DHHL. Please consider these resources and seek assistance if needed. Also expiring on August 6 is emergency extension for expired licenses. If your driver's license, state ID, or learner's permit expired during the pandemic, you will need to renew it before August 6. Our driver's licensing division will continue to offer extended hours for the next 2 weeks to allow eligible customers to renew. If your card expired on or after March 16, 2020, you may come in without an appointment between 4 p.m. and 4:45 p.m. now through August 6. Kupuna Hour is still available for those 65 years or older from 8 to 8:45 a.m. No appointments are necessary for Kupuna Hour. For everyone else needing regular appointments during business hours, please visit kauai.gov/DMV. Mahalo for wearing your masks when indoors. Wash your hands, keep your distance, avoid large gatherings, and of course, consider getting a vaccine. Mahalo for helping to keep Kauai safe. And remember, I got vaccinated. Mahalo.